Gotta go hard for Frankenstein. Gonna blend it up and make it look like we had Start Time Live. We talking 18th century Geneva, place and time. Victor's not your normal character, he ain't your normal guy. Ran off to college and Ingo started looking for knowledge about creating monsters by combining body parts and power-driven waters just to make a scary yellow talking name for sausage. Saw it come alive and then he lost it. He's running under the covers, he's wishing he had his mother. His life just went from good to bad and now it's in the gutter. Yup. Then Victor gets all sad and acts like he's dying. Come on Frank, deal with it, suck it up, quick grind. And we bursting like volcanoes, I burn you like jalapenos. Crush you down, cook you up and serve you like mashed potatoes. Turning other rappers into babies, give them some Play-Doh. I took a 23-foot jumper and I switched it, drain 'em.
DD5 on my grind, how y'all doing? I am fine. Going in on Frankenstein, should be good, should be live. Victor's brother just died, headed home, goodbye. Action even just outside, sees a creature in the night. Oh my, what is this? Creature gets William all on him, knows the truth but holds it in. Justine dies and Victor sins, feeling guilty, feeling odd. Not very good at playing God, heads to the mountains, runs away. Creature appears, oh hey, wants a lover, wants a mate. Victor won't do it, no way. Monster says, okay, now you gotta hear my story. First off, you abandoned me, wandered off into the trees, found a family, delays, learned the language, learned to read, loved him like a family, looked so nice and happily. Introduction down the drain, Felix beat me with the cane, but the name is still Dane, and I killed it with the capital K. So drop this beat and crown me king, cause can't you see I'm doing
Frankenstein fast lane. Victor gave the creature life and he can't slow down. Now he's going crazy, going insane. The beast has already crossed the line and he won't stop now. I don't really know who to blame, they both pretty bad. The ugly yellow monster or the mental psychopath. Doing Frankenstein fast lane. Plugging Mary Shelley. Frankenstein fast lane. Plugging Mary Shelley.
This is the BC4, I'm going and blowing through this, but I can't accept that I am the bowman. But the lazy let they home, no one knows where they going. So the monster burning down and now the house be a glowing. Then the creature saves a woman but gets shot in the shoulder. You would not have any luck if we have 4-leaf clovers. Finds William and strangles him, lock it, pocket and framing him. Story all cut up now, but he's still blackmailing him.
Make me a make that'll love me, same size as me and real ugly. And if you don't, your life will end and it ain't gonna be lovely.
So Victor finally complied, the creature won't be denied. Takes Henry some bucks and off to London they ride. So all y'all fakers stop faking, and y'all haters stop hating. This is Brian Cox, Texas Tech, you know I be caking.
So Victor starts a new creature, a beast with similar features. But then the monster shows up and Victor destroys the procedure. The creature vows for revenge, he's gonna kill his best friend. Victor finds out that he's dead, but now the blame is on him. The monster's planet prevails, Victor is taken to jail, where he falls sick and gets ill. Looks like a fish with no gills, find out he's cleaning them bales. Back to Geneva he trails, but the monster's right behind him, yeah he's right on his tail. Victor gets back and gets married, but gets attacked by a scary 8-foot creature who kills his wife and runs away in a hurry. Now he's done messing around, he's chasing him like a clown. The story's about to end, so I'ma shut this thing down. Victor dies when the beast fades out, never to be found. So T.A. call me the master of literature rapping now, cause this is Larry Taylor Lockdown for the last time signing out. Doing Frankenstein fast lane. Victor gave the creature life and he can't slow down. Now he's going crazy, going insane. The beast has already crossed the line and he won't stop now. I don't really know who to blame, they both pretty bad. The ugly yellow monster or the mental psychopath. Doing Frankenstein fast lane. Plugging Mary Shelley. Frankenstein fast lane. Plugging Mary Shelley.